What's up, everybody? I bought my own power brick on the Greyhound. That way I can plug in multiple devices and charge them all at once. So you can always find one of those on eBay. When you're looking for the Greyhound station Wi-Fi or Greyhound bus Wi-Fi, you want to look for a bus underscore and a bunch of numbers at the end. Or simply look for AT&T Wi-Fi or Greyhound station Wi-Fi. Either or will do. From my experience, I connect better with the AT&T Wi-Fi. It takes a while to obtain the IP address, but once the system picks it up, this window will pop up and you can automatically sign in. All you have to do is scroll down, read the terms of service, and then tap or click on connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure that this Wi-Fi hotspot says connected before you proceed to pull up your favorite websites. When you go to the New York terminal, Port Authority, New York City, there's an internet called Boingo. They offer 30 minutes complimentary internet. So that means you can surf the web for free, download videos, and take care of business. But after that 30 minutes is up, you cannot log back on unless you pay a price. From what I remember, it cost about $5 for an hour or two and $8 for 24 hours. There are certain airports and train stations around the world that has a specific internet. And the way you actually pull up your Wi-Fi, if you are unfamiliar with it, is if you're using a laptop, look in the lower right-hand corner for a symbol that looks like it's emitting a signal. It has about 3 lines in it. You can also pull down your drop menu on your tablet or your phone, and you will see the exact symbol, and you simply click on it and then tap on your Wi-Fi to connect. Once you use up your 30-minute complimentary internet and you still need to get on, you can pull out another device. So if you have your laptop, pull out your tablet instead. Or you can pull out your cell phone and log in with that. That way you can prolong the amount of time you actually stay on the internet. Let's say you hop on a Greyhound bus and you're trying to pull up Wi-Fi and this page pops up. It says web page is not available or not loading. I suggest that you try it a couple of more times. And if this page continuously pop up, that means the bus does not have Wi-Fi. It's a faulty system. Something is wrong with it. So do not even bother asking the driver or telling him about the Wi-Fi because he can't do anything about it. The only suggestion I can give you is when the bus stops at a Greyhound station, you can pick up the Wi-Fi because you're in that broadcasting vicinity. So just go through the prompts and see if you can connect to that specific station's Wi-Fi, and you can use it as long as the bus is sitting there. Also, if the bus is sitting next to another bus, it don't have to be Greyhound, it could be Megabus. You can connect to another bus's Wi-Fi if it is available. Also, when the bus pull over to a rest stop, you probably can pick up the Wi-Fi coming from gas stations. Simply log on and surf the web. One thing you need to know about connecting with Greyhound Wi-Fi is that you cannot download YouTube videos and you can't play YouTube videos. I tried it on my laptop, my phone, and even my tablet. And for some reason, Greyhound has YouTube blocked. So if you have plans on downloading stuff or watching videos or streaming online, you won't be able to do it. Therefore, you need to download all videos before you get on that bus if you want to truly enjoy yourself. This is a better view of connecting to the Greyhound Wi-Fi. You can always pull up another window just to surf. If you see this page pop up with a site it's not secure, you can either ignore that or you can press the more line and read more, or you can try to go to Google and see if it pops up. Normally it will pop up, but you can tell when it's popped up all the way. So that's how you use the Greyhound Wi-Fi and a couple of hacks and tips that you need to know.